Yes, it's another one within the kitchen. Now you wash your goat. Now I'm going to season. But first of all, I'll put the dry season first. This is the dry season. Sprinkle a little bit of this. Season up the goat. Make it nice. Dry season style. Rub in the season nice. Make sure the season marinate. Rub it in nice. In the kitchen style. Pour in little by little. Because this is 40 pounds of goat. See the curry look nice and pretty on it now. This is just the dry seasoning. After we have the green seasoning, the onion, the garlic, the thyme, the pepper, bad vibes. Not anybody cook 40 pounds of goat one time.